Every day is birthday.
Hi people around the world, this is Martin Eliza, and yes, welcome back to me. I would also like to take this opportunity, guys, lahat ng mga bumati sa akin on my birthday. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate all of those things. Yes. And speaking of birthdays, ang i-react natin for today is may kinalaman sa birthday. Yes. Yoma birthday. Yun, no? Actually, LSS ako dito. Halos 2 weeks ko na ata tong pinapakinggan. Especially nung ni-release yung Friendship album nila, which is of course walang iba ang Horizon. Yun, no? Sino ng mga na LSS kagaya ng mga songs nila like 16, I feel like 16, I'm gonna see Monday, Dragong Ship po, yun, nag-react tayo dun. And then, after natin mag-react dun, ayun, halos araw-araw ko naging kasama siya sa playlist ko. And then, ngayon naman yung It's Yoma birthday. Sobrang boppy niya kasi, ang sarap niyang pakinggan. And right now, meron na siyang music videos. Horizon is coming in the Philippines. Wow, grabe, after months ng training sa Korea, and then they debuted ngayon. Yes, they're finally back. Who's excited, guys? I really want to watch them, but I'm not really sure kung kaya kasi nga marami akong expenses this past few weeks. So, ayun, pero hopefully, no, let's see, no, kung magkakaroon ng chance, no. But yeah, without further ado, let's react to the music video of Horizon's birthday. Gusto ko yung umpisa pa lang talagang uy, so curious. Uy, ba't parang Jeremy Winston. I think yung building dyan is yung sa MLD Entertainment, no? Oy, Benchi. Do you make me feel it's birthday? Oh. Birthday. Oh, tell me what you want, tell me what you want, tell me what you want. Tell me what you want, tell me what you want, tell me what you want.
Yeah, it's a birthday. You poppin', belly hopping, heart is pumping.
Fast. Si Kim.
Feel attraction, satisfaction. Every day is my birthday. Thank God you
Ang boppy talaga niya, ang sarap pakinggan, grabe.
Don't you know you always show up in my dream, but I don't dream it myself. I want you to be here next to me. Come on.
I want you.
Just you make me feel every day is
Birthday.
Come on, yo. Ready, go, ready, go, ready, go.
Birthday. Music up. Oh.
The light in this room, it's all about you. You make me smile. I can give you up if you're by my side. So keep it up and start your party. No, 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 no. Birthday.
Birthday. Birthday.
Birthday. Birthday. Birthday. I don't wanna stop, start a party, let's go. 나하고 놀자, 집에 가지 마. 나하고 놀자, let's do some party. 나하고 놀자, 난리 난리 나. Let's move, 너만 보여. Every day.
Birthday. I would like to have a dance neto, ah. Paulit-ulitin ko na naman to kagaya ng ginawa ko dun sa 16 nila. Tell me what you want, tell me what you want, you want. Tell me what you want, tell me what you want, tell me what you want.
Yeah, it's a birthday.
Wow. Birthday. I actually kind of enjoy the vibe. Sobrang feel good lang nung music video coming from the expensive 16, no? Kasi yun yung debut music video nila. Ito yung parang, alam mo yun, birthday ko, ano ba yung mafe-feel ko kapag birthday ko. Pero technically kasi, syempre paulit-ulit ko halos pinapatugtog yung song. So, parang yung meaning kasi netong birthday nila is, it feels like birthday kapag kasama mo yung taong special sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, it feels like, ano mo yun, hindi lang sa birthday mo magiging special yung araw mo, kundi almost every day because nakakasama mo, nakakapiling mo yung taong special sa'yo. So, ganun yung song talaga, technically, no? So, it feels like birthday. Dapat nga, no? Everyday naman talaga ma-feel natin that everyday is special and everyday is birthday. Hindi lang dun sa part na dahil kasama mo yung special na tao sa'yo, but everyday dapat we treasure those days. 'Di ba? And we feel that's like birthday. So, let's talk about the music video na pinakita nila dito. So, nakita natin na nag-e-enjoy lang talaga sila, no? And nakita natin yung mga, ano ba yung mga ginagamit pag birthdays, no? Yung mga balloons and such, no? And nilibot nila tayo sa building nila, sa company nila. And then sa labas, 'di ba? Korean vibes na talaga sila, no? So, wow, enjoy lang talaga. The colors are so good na hindi siya masakit sa mata. And I like it. And the improvement, 'di ba? Grabe. 'Di ba nga sabi nga, lahat sila visuals. Talagang grabe na ang Horizon, no? Kaya nakaka-proud din sila because young as they are, 'di ba? They have proven that kaya nila makipagsabayan. And 'di ba nga, nakakatuwa ngayon nakikita ko sa Facebook na mga music shows na napunta nila kagaya ng Music Bank, 'di ba? And other Korean platforms. Grabe. Imagine that, Filipino talaga, di ba? Well, sobrang gasgas naman yung hashtag Pinoy Pride, right? But, talagang ang sarap sa feeling, di ba? Na nakikita mo yon, lalong-lalo na kung isa ka sa mga nakanood nung survival show nila and how they really started and how they progressed. Pinanood ko nga din yung reaction video nila Kim Chu, nila BJI, na talagang mga witnesses of their growth, di ba? And sila rin mismo talagang nakatutuwa at napaproud sa ngayon, tinatahak ngayon ng Horizon. So, kagaya ko na, di ba, Filipino, I'm so proud of them as well. And, yun naman yung isa sa mga goal natin, di ba, to make our group known internationally, di ba? And, support, gaya ng, of course, ng other P-pop groups din, like SB19, BGYO, and others, di ba, talagang, they're globally, making waves na rin. So nakaka-proud. Talagang, yun, talagang sabay-sabay, diba, sa pag-angat. There you have it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you have suggestions or comments, you can always comment on our comment section down below. I'm still new to this channel. Whatever you for subscribe to Marn Elijah. Yun lang, guys. Until next time, hanggang sa susunod na kabanata. Paalam. I feel like birthday.